Let's play a game guessing food by emojis. How many can you get right?
Welcome to Island Rhyme.
Okay, let's go. Can you guess what this food is? That's right. This is jerk chicken. Next one. What is this? Yes, fried dumpling. Good job. Shall we try the next one? Okay. Can you guess what this is? Corned beef porridge. Okay. Can you guess this? Yes, that's curry goat. What is this? This is ackee. Say ackee. Alright, what is this? Fried chicken. Ooh. Look at this. What is this? Yes, rock cake. Oh. Can you guess this one? Rice and peas. Popular on Sunday. Okay, what is this? Chocolate tea. Yes. Did you know that chocolate tea was invented in Jamaica? Okay. What is this? Patty. Popular Jamaican snack. Oh. Now, see if you can guess this one. Bulla. That's right. Bulla. What is this? Saltfish. The good old saltfish. Okay. Now, can you guess this one? Yes, you did it. Pear. Okay. This is cocoa bread. Now this food is very popular at weddings. Can you guess? Manish water. What is this? Yes, you guessed it, oxtail. What is this? That's right, breadfruit. And this one is fish tea. Fish tea is actually a soup. What is this? This is pepper shrimp. last one is... You got it! Escovitch!
Did you enjoy our guessing game? I hope you had fun. Join me again and don't forget to subscribe.